Good afternoon, Durham. I'm Rod Jenkins, Director of the Durham County Department of Public Health. This week, I have good news about distribution of N95 free masks here in Durham for individuals and for organizations, as well as expanded hours of our vaccination clinic. Today's video will go over the details of how to pick up these masks at each location, as well as our additional times for you to take your shot. I will also share some reminders for how to support Durham businesses while staying safe during this pandemic. Beginning Tuesday of next week, February 1st, N95 Mass will be available for pickup at Durham County Libraries and our OptumServe COVID-19 testing sites located at Wills Fun Park, the Durham County Memorial Stadium, El Centro Hispano, and 414 East Main Street. Masks will be available for pickup at every Durham County library except the currently closed Stanford Warren Library. At these library sites, each household can pick up 2 bags of 5 free N95 masks for a total of 10 masks per household. To pick up your mask, visit the COVID screening station or front desk of your preferred library during its hours of operation. You will be asked to sign to confirm that you have received them and will not resell them. At our COVID-19 OptumServe testing sites at Wills Fun Park, the Durham County Memorial Stadium, El Centro Hispano, and 414 East Main Street, these masks will be available to pick up at the testing station after you have tested. To maintain safety and traffic control, these masks will not be available to drive up and pick up if you are not getting tested. They will be available during the regular hours of operation for each location, which can be found on our website at decopublichealth.org/COVID testing and shown on the screen. Please pick up your N95s beginning next Tuesday when libraries and testing sites are open. But remember, testing site pickup is available only after receiving a test. Durham County Libraries are open for mass pickup at any time during their business hours. Additionally, if you are the head of a church, volunteer organization, or other community-based organization and would like to request N95s to hand out at your organization, you can fill out a request form to ask to receive masks in bulk. These masks will be distributed on a first-come, first-served basis and can be requested at decopublichealth.org/N95 request form. Remember, this request form is to be used by organizations only. Individuals are not eligible to order masks in bulk and do not need to fill out a request form to pick up theirs from the library or a testing site. In addition to wearing your high-quality mask, it remains critically important to get vaccinated and boosted. In fact, a CDC study released this week found that when Omicron first began circulating, adults who got a COVID-19 booster dose had 5 times the protection against infection compared with adults who were not vaccinated. And now there's an additional day for you to take your shot here at the Health Department. Visit us Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and now also on Fridays, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and Tuesdays, 9 a.m. to 5:45 p.m. to take your shot. We accept walk-ins and appointments for all doses and brands of COVID vaccines for all people 5 and older. Visit decopublichealth.org/COVID vaccines for more information. Next, I want to provide reminders for how to stay safe while supporting local businesses. As Omicron continues to drive higher case rates than usual, you may be wondering how you can support some of your favorite shops and restaurants and remain safe. Remember that ordering takeout is still a great way to safely support local restaurants. If you would like to visit a shop in person or eat indoors at a restaurant, remember, wear your N95 or other durable masks as required in Durham. Try your best to stay socially distanced as much as possible. Durham is the ultimate foodie town, and our local businesses and restaurants need our support. These businesses are working hard to keep customers and employees safe. We thank you for visiting your favorite Durham establishment while also doing all you can to protect yourselves and others. We are still seeing high case rates here in Durham, so it remains as important as ever to do all that you can to stay safe. Pick up your free N95s at the libraries or after you get tested at one of our OptumServe locations, and get vaccinated as soon as possible, which can now be done Monday through Friday. It's not too late to take your first dose. These vaccines are safe and highly effective. Getting vaccinated in combination with wearing your mask and getting tested will continue to be critical for slowing case rates. Let's continue to do all that we can to protect ourselves and others. Get vaccinated. Get your booster shot. Wear your durable, well-fitting mask and get tested. We can do this, Durham.